Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com, and today we're going to break down the Alpinestars SMX-2 Air Carbon V2 short riding gloves. $79.95, 5 colorways available. We're showing you the all black right here. Please understand, we don't update videos for pricing changes, only if the product itself has been completely redesigned. We've got a short riding glove here that is appropriate for street use only, right? If you're the type of rider that's on the street and you want to have a measure of protection, but you need a lot of comfort, you need a lot of airflow, you need touchscreen compatibility, this is a staple in their catalog. They've been out for years. This is going to be a good option for you. Let's talk about sizing. I wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. I have on a 2X right now. The fit and feel is exactly what I would expect. For most riders, there will be no need to adjust your sizing. If you're normally a medium or a large, just roll with that. You should be good. Materials that are used. We have some full grain leather in the impact zones. Out of the impact zones, we're using some materials to really help enhance comfort and airflow. Okay, specifically in between each of the fingers, there is a pretty lightweight spandex material that enhances the comfort and also allows air to flow in there freely. Your hands are on the bars, you're riding the bike, the air drives in. It's going to be like wearing an air conditioner on your hands. Carbon knuckle protector comes up just high enough to kind of catch the end of the ulna right there. Got a little Clarino overlay, little TPR for the back of the hand, some inserts there underneath the mesh on the control fingers, motion panels, leather palm. We got an overlay here where your hands touch the bars to help encourage longer glove life. See that Clarino overlay kind of extends all the way into the palm. Cool silicone grip print right there. Entry and exit is managed here with this TPR detail. Has Velcro on the backside. The touchscreen compatibility. The product description says thumb and index finger. The test says index finger only, right? So I don't know, there must have been a mistake there in that product description, but definitely works. I don't know why you would need the thumb too. I think that's going to be more than sufficient. I don't know, what do I think? If short riding gloves are what you're into, right, I think this is a good, solid option with a nice, comfortable fit.